Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to work on CELPIP speaking, task 8. Let us see what exactly it is. Task 8 is speaking about an unusual situation. Now, what exactly it is? You are given a preparation time of 30 seconds and you have to speak for 60 seconds. You are given any unusual situation and you have to explain to someone who cannot see it. Break up your answer in 4 parts. I'll give you a bonus tip here. In the first part, give introduction or the purpose of the call. In the second part, you have to state how the situation arose. In part 3, add details. In part 4, close the conversation. Be natural. It's very important. Let's solve one. Now you look at this picture on the side. There's a mouse and there are 8 spider legs attached to it. So let's see the situation. You went to a gadget shop in your city. Talk to your father and tell him about the most attractive gadget you saw. So this is the picture that you saw, and you have to talk about this. Let's talk about the format now. The format is going to be very simple. We will be dividing it in 4 parts. First, you will be giving introduction, the purpose of the call. Then you will tell how the situation arose, add some details to it, then close it. The purpose of the call. Start with something like this. Hello, hi, followed by, I'm calling to, I'd like to tell you about, I just wanted to tell, the reason for my call is, example, hi dad, I'm calling to tell you about the amazing gadget I have seen in the gadget store, Electronica in downtown Toronto. State how the situation arose. Explain how you encountered the situation, how you got there, how it happened, what happened. You should not memorize sentences here. Keep that in mind. Keep the framework in mind and not the sentences. Let's see an example. I had come to spend the evening in downtown Toronto with my friends, and we saw this electronic gadget shop. It has very different stuff as compared to other shops selling same products. Let's talk about the details now. What you can add in details is like you can start by saying, I will describe the details as well as I can. Let me describe it to you. I will do my best to describe it. I will tell you the details. Then you make a guess, which is very important because this is a very unusual situation. I don't know what is it exactly. I'm just guessing here. I might be wrong. It seems like, probably, perhaps, possibly. Using these words will tell the person that this is very unusual. This is not a regular kind of a thing. Then you describe, it looks like, it resembles, it is like a, any of these phrases would help. Let's see one example. I would do my best to describe it. I found this crazy looking mouse with spider legs. You know, that I love to collect unusual things in technology, and this is a perfect piece of collection. The mouse is red and black and has 8 brown hairy spider legs attached to it. I think they work like a mouse pad. Then the ending or the closing. You can start by saying, even though I understand that, but I hope, concluding, to summarize, overall. You can use any of these phrases to make it look better and sound better. I understand that it might not be very useful as an everyday gadget, but I would love to keep it as a memento. So now we'll assemble everything and see how does it look like overall. Hi, Dad. I'm calling you to tell you about this amazing gadget I have seen in the gadget store Electronica in downtown Toronto. I had come to spend the evening in downtown Toronto with my friends, and we saw this electronic gadget shop. It has a very different stuff as compared to other shops selling same products. I would do my best to describe it. I found this crazy looking mouse with spider legs. That I love to collect unusual things in technology, and this is a perfect piece of collection. The mouse is red and black and has 8 brown hairy spider legs attached to it. I think they work like a mouse pad. I understand that it might not be very useful as an everyday gadget, but I would love to keep it as a memento. With this, we come to the end of our video, and I hope that you have learned how to talk about task 8 in speaking, that is called as an unusual situation. Watch more videos on this channel of CELPIP and crack the test with the best results. Thank you so much.